RHS Pre-Calculus presents The Robbery of the Mathematical Manor. How to solve equations using trigonometry identities. One dark and stormy evening, Mr. Math was getting ready to settle in for the night. He locked his safe containing important mathematical information and started to walk upstairs to bed when he heard a loud knock at the door.
Hey you, open up.
Who's there?
Open up right now. I've got a gun and I'm not afraid to use it.
I'm calling the police.
Come on, Mr. Math. We have a safe to open. Okay, Mr. Math, tell me what the combination is.
The combination is secured through equations. Only if you can solve the equations will you be able to open the safe. I doubt you'll be able to, though. Only I'm smart enough to solve them.
What is this? Trigonometry? Is that a unit circle on the safe? Good thing I took pre-calculus in high school.
The clever robber began to look at the equations and started the first problem.
The first equation was sin x plus root 2 equals negative sin x. At first, the robber subtracted root 2 and added sin x to each side so that all like terms were together. After combining these like terms, the equation read 2 sin x equals negative root 2. Finally, he divided by 2 to get sin x equals negative root 2 over 2. The robber knew that he needed to find solutions between 0 and 2 pi. Referencing the unit circle, he remembered that sin x equals negative root 2 over 2 at 5 pi over 4 and 7 pi over 4. These were solutions for the first problem. The second equation was 3 tangent squared x minus 1 equals 0. First, the robber added 1 to each side, then divided both sides by 3, leaving tangent squared x equals 1/3. Then he took the square root of both sides to make tangent x equal 2 plus or minus root 3 over root 3. Again, referencing the unit circle, he remembered that there were 4 solutions for this problem. Tangent x equals root 3 over 3 at pi over 6, 5 pi over 6, 7 pi over 6, and 11 pi over 6. These were solutions for the second problem. The final problem, and the most difficult of them all, was 2 sin squared x minus 1 equals 0. The robber knew that the first thing he had to do was factor the left side of the equation. It took him a while, but he finally remembered how to factor and came up with 2 sin x plus 1 times sin x minus 1, all equal to 0. Since there are 2 sets of parentheses, the robber set each part equal to 0. 2 sin x plus 1 equals 0, and after subtracting 1 and dividing by 2, he got sin x equals negative 1/2. He knew that sin x equaled negative 1/2 at 7 pi over 6 and 11 pi over 6. When he made sin x minus 1 equal to 0, he ended up with sin x equals 1. This happens at pi over 2. He now had his 3 solutions for the problem.
Done. Now I can use these solutions to get into that safe.
And the robber safely got away. Good thing he learned his trigonometry identities.